And good evening to you. This is Jason Scott in the Extreme Storm Central's Severe Storms Forecast Center, and we've got our eye on some potential threats for next week, and we'll keep you posted on the latest of this severe development. The extended 4 and 5 day forecast from the Storm Prediction Center is monitoring a possibility of severe storms to be heading into next week over portions of central Texas, Oklahoma, and possibly southern Kansas could experience storms on Monday, with the threat spreading into northern Louisiana and the Arkansas Ozarks on Tuesday. Perhaps the strongest wording from the discussion pertains to Monday's threat, though. The shear profiles will be quite favorable for supercells during this afternoon and evening during this period. This morning I was checking some of the values of the dew points, and the dew points in the Gulf Coast region, this is central Gulf Coast, is in the low 60s. However, the cold front that swept through our area here on the Mississippi area, causing the moisture values to plummet. Ordinarily, it would be very hard to press out enough moisture return for a southern plains severe threat after such a recent dry air mass that we've got in place here of the Gulf Coast. However, a disturbance will be pulling out of the west of the Rockies with 500 millibar. It should bring enough moisture for the northern plains by Sunday morning to cause some possibility of some severe weather, especially when we have the second disturbance arriving on Monday. Thunderstorms are especially likely, perhaps even a few supercells over the west central Texas. A steep moisture gradient as a dry line will slowly advance to the east during the afternoon, and the focal point for lifted indices of -1 to -5. Overall, the best combination of shear and instability will be originated over the southwest Oklahoma and north central Texas. And the values in that area is around 750 to 1500, and bulk shear excess of 50 to 60 knots. Isolated tornadoes are possible in that area as well. So we are looking for some possibilities of some severe weather taking place on Monday. So the greatest threat right now is mostly damaging winds, and I cannot rule out a few tornadoes and possibly some large hail. So folks over in Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and into northern Louisiana and Arkansas, Ozarks should keep abreast with the latest right here at Storm Central.